Hey guys, this is Reptile Sean here, and this video is on how to set up a tub for a leopard gecko. So the minimum tub size that you should have is a 12 quart for one adult leopard gecko. The only time you can squeeze two in here is during breeding. You leave your male and female in there for like a week, and then you take your male out and put him in his own bin. You can't have two geckos in this one bin all year round. Okay, guys? Okay, just letting you know. Alright, so got your 12 quart bin. Now, and you would need a cover, one of those covers. I have a whole bunch of tubs because I get my rack Friday and I'm just showing you what to do. So, since it's a bin, you would need a hide. These are the things you would need. You would need something to heat your bin. And since I don't got that thing right now, I'm just going to tell you guys what you can use. From a bin, you could use heat pad or heat tape. You cannot use a dome light on a bin. It would melt your plastic. Okay? Okay. You only can use your dome lights on the tank like that 10-gallon right there as a dome light and a heat pad, but the light is not heat, is just to show off. So the first thing you will need is a hide. It's my hide, takes up most of my bin. It's okay, it's only for one adult. Then you will need a food and water bowl. I've been making some hides. So we got a food bowl and a water bowl. Bang, right there. That's all you need. That's all you need for one adult. You can have smaller hides, like you have this hide right here. It's shorter, but fatter. Or you could use this. You could use this circle hide. You could use this circle hide with a. You could use this circle hide like that, with that in there. So this is basically it. I know you guys might ask, oh, why I'm not using paper towel? Because I think it's easier. They just poop right on the plastic. But I know I probably use paper towel. You could use paper towel. It's a clean up faster. But in some top breeders of leopard geckos, you see that they don't use any paper towel because of they just vacuum the poop. So, oh yeah, and that one hide, you would need it to be a humid hide. So if you're gonna use a box like this, you need a cover, and you put paper towel in it. Shit, I just cracked it. Put paper towel in it, and you spray the paper towel, and bang, that's it. You could have smaller food dishes, bigger dishes, and basically that's it. And then you just get your cover and put your cover on your bin, and that's it. Bye guys.